everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at the Moen 87557W Brecklyn Glacier White One-Handle Single-Hole Kitchen Faucet. This faucet has been on my radar for a while now, and I'm finally getting around to giving it a full review. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews and home improvement tips. Now, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the design. This faucet is absolutely stunning. The glacier white finish is a beautiful, crisp white that really brightens up the kitchen. I love the clean lines and the modern farmhouse feel. It's also a very functional design. The single-handle operation is super easy to use, even with wet hands, and the pull-out sprayer is a lifesaver for rinsing dishes and filling pots. Speaking of functionality, this faucet has some great features under the hood. The Moen Reflex PEX connection system makes installation a breeze, and the Duralast technology ensures that this faucet will last for years to come. Now, I know what you're thinking. Installation can be a pain. But trust me, the Moen 87557W is so easy to install, you'll be amazed. Even if you're not a DIY expert, you can handle this one yourself. Moen provides clear and easy to follow instructions, and there are plenty of helpful videos online if you get stuck. Here are some features of the Moen 87557W Brecklyn Glacier White One-Handle Single-Hole Kitchen Faucet. Single-handle design for easy control of water temperature and flow. Pull-out sprayer with power clean spray technology for tackling tough messes. Reflex pull-down hose with 59 reach for added convenience. 360 spout swivel for filling pots and cleaning the sink. Optional deck plate included for 3-hole installations. Spot resist finish helps to resist fingerprints and water spots. Duralast valve for leak-free performance. Lifetime limited warranty. Here are some additional things to consider before purchasing the Moen 87557W Brecklyn Glacier White One-Handle Single-Hole Kitchen Faucet. The size of your sink. Make sure the faucet will fit comfortably in your sink and that the spout reach is long enough to reach all areas of the sink. The type of countertop you have. The spot resist finish may not be as effective on some types of countertops, such as granite or marble. Your installation skills. If you are not comfortable installing a faucet yourself, you will need to hire a plumber, which will add to the cost of the faucet. Here is a list of pros and cons for the Moen 87557W Brecklyn Glacier White One-Handle Single-Hole Kitchen Faucet. Pros: stylish design, single-handle control, pull-out sprayer, 360-degree spout swivel, spot resist finish, lifetime warranty. Cons: price, installation, sprayer head, limited color options. So, what's my final verdict on the Moen 87557W Brecklyn Glacier White One-Handle Single-Hole Kitchen Faucet? I absolutely love it. It's beautiful, functional and easy to install. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line kitchen faucet that won't break the bank, this is the one for you. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you have any questions about the Moen 87557W, be sure to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more home improvement videos.